Nelson Mandela, born July 18, 1918, Mvizo, South Africa, died December 5, 2013, Johannesburg, black nationalist and the first black president of South Africa, 1994–99. His negotiations in the early 1990s with South African President F.W. de Klerk helped end the country's apartheid system of racial segregation and ushered in a peaceful transition to majority rule. Mandela and de Klerk were jointly awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1993 for their efforts. Early life and work. Nelson Mandela was the son of Chief Henry Mandela of the Madiba clan of the Xhosa-speaking Tembu people. After his father's death, young Nelson was raised by John Jantaba, the regent of the Tembu. Nelson renounced his claim to the chieftainship to become a lawyer. He attended South African Native College, later the University of Fort Hare, and studied law at the University of the Witwatersrand. He later passed the qualification exam to become a lawyer. In 1944 he joined the African National Congress, ANC, a black liberation group, and became a leader of its youth league. That same year he met and married Evelyn Toko Mays. Mandela subsequently held other ANC leadership positions, through which he helped revitalize the organization and opposed the apartheid policies of the ruling National Party. In 1952 in Johannesburg, with fellow ANC leader Oliver Tambo, Mandela established South Africa's first black law practice, specializing in cases resulting from the post-1948 apartheid legislation. Also that year, Mandela played an important role in launching a campaign of defiance against South Africa's pass laws, which required non-whites to carry documents, known as passes, pass books, or reference books, authorizing their presence in areas that the government deemed restricted, i.e., generally reserved for the white population. He traveled throughout the country as part of the campaign, trying to build support for non-violent means of protest against the discriminatory laws. In 1955 he was involved in drafting the Freedom Charter, a document calling for non-racial social democracy in South Africa. Mandela's anti-apartheid activism made him a frequent target of the authorities. Starting in 1952, he was intermittently banned, severely restricted in travel, association, and speech. In December 1956 he was arrested with more than 100 other people on charges of treason that were designed to harass anti-apartheid activists. Mandela went on trial that same year and eventually was acquitted in 1961. During the extended court proceedings, he divorced his first wife and married Nomzamo Winifred Madikizela, Winnie Madikizela Mandela.